Hi, yes. I'd like to make a noise complaint. Yeah, my neighbor is building some multi-million dollar ballroom in the east wing of his house, and I know for a fact that he doesn't have a permit. It's a white house. He has a white house. Huh. So white houses don't need a permit. Oh. Um, I have a white house, and I've been meaning to do some renovations. So you're saying I wouldn't need a permit? Oh, I see. Okay, so it has to be a white house that was built by slaves.